take an initial of a first name. So what's your first name, my dear? Rachel with an R? Right. Nailed it. And what's your name? Charlie with a C? Okay, so for anyone in the audience, can we have a two-word combo with R and C, like rich child or really cold?
Race car.
Race car! We now present to you race car!
I've ever made.
Oh, I should have stayed in school. Why did I have to drop out?
I should have not taken this job.
Race car driver. Hey, who wants to win a pet today? We got the goldfish. We got the ringfish. We got
Turtle. And if it's not a tortoise, it won't live to 200. I'm turtle.
And we have me, Brian. That's right, I'm a prize.
Alright, guys. Take me home. I'm your pet.
Yeah, I'll love you harder than this turtle. I promise.
I promise. Being a carny's hard, and I need a one. I'm Brian. Take me home.
Because I have an income. The turtle makes no money. Okay? It's Justin Peter. It eats and 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 eats.
Come here often.
First time!
Thank you.
Me too. Where are we?
It's a warehouse party.
I want a house party.
It's a warehouse party. Warehouse party. It's a warehouse party.
And I hope to meet someone special. Maybe one of these people who are dancing in slow motion behind me. I might find a connection with one of them. I might want to freak the shit out of them. I might want to let this person do whatever they want with me. And so on and so forth.
Why was I skipped over?
I still haven't been asked yet. I feel like I'm the only girl.
Oh, Claire. Stupid. There's plenty of girls who didn't get asked.
Are they coming into the library and confiding in you like I am? Because you're my best friend, Ms. Thompson. You're my best friend.
Please, I told you call me Mrs. Thompson. I'm married now.
I'll pick you up at 7 o'clock, okay?
Hi, Bradley. That's my kidney.
I didn't mean to say how good you look. Not yellow at all. We're proud back in school.
Blessings.
Look, what happened to you over in the young adult section?
Because I feel like a child. Oh my God, it's Cooper Johnson.
My dad cut my toe off with the mowing machine.
He might be in my league. What would the toe injury at all?
I'm missing my big toe.
He's so friendly. He loves to chat.
Have you seen a mowing machine before? A mowing machine?
Yeah, I am.
And a mistletoe.
Okay, Miss Thompson.
Mrs.
Mrs. Thompson. You said I should pick you up at the dance at 8, right?
That's correct.
See you at 8.
See you at 8.
Hi, Ryder.
Fuck off.
centering around the very dance that I need a date to.
Wouldn't you like to know? But that's adult stuff, okay? That's adult stuff.
If you want to know, I can help you with that answer.
Yes, why don't you sit with Cooper and get your answers? I've got a Vogue to flip through.
You can see her thong. So your toes completely gone? There's nothing there.
It does affect my balance, but you know.
Taking off my backpack. You really laid him out flat.
Open hand's backhand. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Whoa, whoa. That's the joke.
Oh. You lose balance with your toe, and I lose balance when I take off my backpack. Chalk outline, he's dead. Oh my God. Miss Johnson, now everyone can see your thong.
Mrs. Johnson!
Where is Mr. Thompson, by the way?
Mr. Thompson is on a boat. In France. It's a 60-day river cruise.
Mr. Thompson, you'll see here that lunch has been prepared.
Oh, merci, garçon.
That's right, that's right.
J'adore le déjeuner.
So, Mr. Thompson, there's not a lot of room in the pilot's cabin, but you being an honored guest, we set up the table.
Excusez-moi.
Listen, we're
Parlez français.
registered in the United States. I refuse to speak any other language.
The ship is manned on the U.S. Coast Guard. We're wearing brains.
You like to be outside the jurisdiction of the
Hey.
United States.
Don't you say a fucking word, okay? Listen. The U.S. government is looking to infiltrate Christmas markets. Okay?
Talk to him. I got this.
All right? This is a key strategic target. All right?
This way.
You might already, goddamn. You might already know too much. Damn.
Hey, Captain, you get anything on this radio?
Hey, come on. Hey, you went to an academy. Knock it off.
What the hell's going on? You want me from my slumber for what reason? Accuse me!
That's an admiral, okay?
Who the hell is this rich asshole dying? Pilot's captain! Certainly not a captain's pilot!
You think it's easy being a wheel on a ship? It's not. I'm manhandled all day, every day. I'm just trying to keep the boat
Admiral,
in the right
permission to use the wheel?
No! Touch the dials! Are you Marines or a boys' school?
Neither!
Alright, almost done. Making this gorgeous.
I only feel
Whoa.
cold when someone's chiseling something.
Hello?
It's as though
Geppetto.
I'll be right in.
Okay, we're having a pizza.
I'll be right in.
I'm sad. Okay, well, I'll see you in there. Yeah, I love
I feel like I'm some sort of like Taylor Swift song, you know? And I truly only feel real. I only feel seen when someone's sort of carving me.
I completely understand. I'm so wrapped that he never finished. I never stood up. I just-
I'll get some firewood, fine. Coming.
You were saying?
I think I'm really fucked now. He's so jealous with us. We're not just things to be molded.
No, I had a purpose.
I was a tree a mighty ago.
You know, I don't even know where I came from.
Oh my God.
I don't know my history. I don't know if I was a tree.
Well, you need to go on barkandtree.com. Find out your lineage. They'll trace it all the way back to the forest in Peru.
Can you imagine? What if I was like descendant of like the rainforest?
Lean hard.
Hey, did you find shelter?
Yes, under this tree, there's only room for one. You should head back home. No, you should go back home.
All right.
Young man, there was room for another.
Yes, I don't know, I just wanted to be alone.
All right, say no more.
What do you mean you want to borrow my chainsaw?
That's literally the statement I just made.
Go back to bed, baby.
Christ, you stink!
I've had a couple.
Yeah, you have. Go lay down.
Okay, you see that?
Don't touch me.
You see that?
You're not my dad.
I know. 5 minutes from now, I'm not gonna be your stepdad either. So I'm
That's not my mom either.
well, then who's? I'm not getting left holding this bag. All right? I'm done acting.
I just want to borrow your chainsaw, okay? That's all I've ever asked of you. I never asked for love or attention or you to come to my games or anything else. I just want to borrow your chainsaw and some 50-50 oil.
What happened when you borrowed my miter box?
I left it in the river.
Yeah, you left it in the river, all right? You know, my grandmother gave me that miter box. Right after they kicked him off the city council. It meant a lot to him.
They gave him a miter box for leaving the city council in disgrace.
That's right. Because he only shot to wound. He didn't shoot to kill, okay? You were a little crazy that day, all right? But the city's better for it. I think we all agree.
So they gave him a miter box?
Yes!
For
What's
cutting
a miter box?
for cutting angles in crown You're not my mom!
Who of yours is the blood relative in this town? Nobody. Well, go on Ancestry.com and figure it out.
Roll me your chainsaw, I will.
All right. Go on! Go on! Who's on the wheel? Nobody. I can't get a bit
Get out of here!
Stop it! Stop! Get away from that wheel! Get away from that! I am your superior! Get away from that!
Welcome to the high school dance. Find a partner.
Has anyone seen Cooper?
Now's the time to get closer. Leave no space.
May I dance with your DJ booth, please? I'm dancing with the DJ booth. Oh, sorry.
Oh, no. You want to make a move? Now's the time.
I'm sorry.
He didn't come.
No,
I waited the whole day, and there was only an even number of people the entire time.
I'm your doctor. I don't care.
That's the problem with modern medicine. You don't care, do you?
No.
Nobody does.
But I do have to care for what's living inside here.
I tell you.
You're pregnant.
Well, what?
I saw a turntable when I was.
Oh my God, the inanimate object, the turntable? Yes, yes.
yeah, who is it? Oh, hey, it's that little girl.
DJ Spazzle.
Yeah.
I need to speak to your equipment. Hello, please.
Come on in. Come on in. All right, here he is. I'll leave you to it.
Thank you, DJ Spazzle. You sick. I knew you smoke, you reeked at this point.
You weren't complaining at the dance.
I didn't even know you penetrated me.
That's how you know it's working.
Well, now I'm marrying a baby at 17. And you're gonna be involved.
What?
Yeah.
I'm not jealous.
Yeah.
Can't raise no kid.
You can and you are going to.
I got a certain kind of lifestyle, okay? I'm
Hey,
gonna...
living in Spazzle's second bedroom.
Yeah, going to high school gymnasiums, VFWs, sometimes outdoor places.
You've done this before, haven't you? I'm gonna dip your legs.
I'm so glad you reached out to me. Yes. He gave me 2 children, actually.
That your apple
No.
watch?
It's one of my
Oh,
kids.
that's one of your children?
Yeah.
It's an apple watch?
Yeah.
What's the other one?
That.
Oh my God, Amanda Kate Should I have this baby? It is decidedly so.
Hello,
Hi.
welcome to Cafe Happy.
Thank you so much.
We hope you're both feeling happy today.
I'm pregnant. And I'm 17.
That makes me happy. That makes you happy.
Makes me happy. What makes me happy? I guess I like the monkeys dance. Yeah, I like the little monkeys dance with each other. Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah.
You talked to my ex?
Yeah, she hates you. She hates everything about you, and so do
Let
I.
me guess. She brought up monkeys dancing.
Yeah, that's her favorite thing.
Hi, welcome to Cafe Happy.
I'll have a menu.
Here, what's this say?
Oh,
Act like I've never seen a sentient turntable before.
Is my child gonna have a lifetime of those reactions?
I don't know. What kind of world are you gonna raise your child in?
A world where I have a father figure for it. Are you listening to
Can I get a change for the 20s?
And another thing, you know, pay support.
Okay, well listen, I like transactions, okay? So child support's something I can get behind.
Okay,
Okay? I like it when money is exchanged from one party to another.
Good.
Alright? That gets me hard.
great. Not that I want you hard ever again from me or any other unsuspecting woman or teen. What fresh hell is this? Wow.
Hi, whoa, whoa.
Oh my God, Cooper.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry I couldn't be at the dance.
Where were you? What happened?
You wouldn't believe this.
It's a mowing machine. It's 2 mowing machines. Oh my God, it's twice as deadly.
Your
Mwah.
other toe and then your dad kissed you on the mouth. He ran over your other toe and kissed you.
dance with you, but I was.
Come in, come in. Shh. You need some help?
Oh, thank you. I think you were. Yep. Okay. Wow.
You think you've had a weird week?
What did you guys do?
I'm pregnant with the turntables baby. I almost lied to you, but why? I trust you implicitly.
I'm sorry, I just have to ask.
That was my dad.
I was gonna tell you, I always wanted to be a dad.
What?
I don't know if the father's in the picture. I'll bring it back to life.
Just a quick question.
Yes, Father.
Where am I?
Go on.
I just, well, what with my missing two toes and all, I feel like I probably couldn't get somebody pregnant the real way, because
Yeah.
obviously toes are involved. And I was just thinking, boy, I would really like to be a dad sometime, especially a young dad.
Push! 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 The engine cord is drowning!
This is nice. We're headed in the right direction.
I was asleep when I heard you two slap fighting. You and this chainsaw have an unnatural relationship. And you and the wheel do too. Oh my God!
Admiral, this boat might be sinking, but it's going to be sinking with love.
Yeah, because what is an unnatural relationship? If one person is a consenting, loving person, and the other person is an inanimate object,
Is that wrong?
is that wrong?
Is that wrong?
I'm not getting into this.
Listen, it's not like it's a teacher dating underage students.
That's wrong.
That's
That's
fucked
very
up.
A good girl and good boy.
1,000 years later.
Hungry.
Shit.
Oh. Come out of the water. We all have legs and legs.